students, welcome to my channel. In this video, I am discussing in integration JEE type models questions I am discussing. See that integral secant x by square root of cos of 2x plus alpha plus cos alpha into dx. In this under root value denominator, we have to apply cos c plus cos d formula. We know that cos c plus cos d is equal to 2 cos c plus d by 2 cos c minus d by 2. This formula we have to apply. So it will becomes integral secant x whole divided by square root of 2 into cos of 2x plus alpha by 2. 2 get cancelled, it will become cos of x plus alpha into cos of c minus d by 2. 2x plus alpha minus alpha by 2. 2x by 2, it will become cos x into dx. Here 2 we can take outside. It will becomes 1 by root 2 integral secant x whole divided by square root of cos of a plus b formula. It is in this form. So you have to write cos of a plus b formula. Keep bracket cos x cos alpha minus sin x sin alpha into cos x into dx. This is the formula for cos of a plus b. After that, what we have to do? Here cos x within the under root it will be there. So here multiplying and dividing by cos x for the denominator under root value, it will become here cos square x. You can take outside in the outside of the square, it will become cos x. So 1 by root 2 integral secant x square root of divided by square root of, here I am writing cos square x, that means multiplying by cos x to the denominator under root value, and here also cos x into cos alpha by cos x, each and every term divided by cos x, sin x into sin alpha divided by cos x. Here cos x get cancelled. 1 by root 2 integral secant x square root of root square cancel here cos x. So square root of rest of the term cos alpha minus sin x by cos x is tan x into sin alpha into, here without root cos x is there, into dx. Cos square root cos square x means cos x. Cos x it will come in the numerator, it will become secant x. Secant x into secant x, secant square x. So 1 by root 2 integral secant square x divided by square root of, the rest of the terms are cos alpha minus tan x into sin alpha into dx. After that, how to proceed? Here secant square alpha is there. Secant square x dx, whenever it will be there, always you remember that tan x, in terms of tan x is equal to t, we have to assume that. But tan x it is not there in this, including tan x, cos alpha, sin alpha is also there. So what we have to do is, this complete value you can assume that t. So put cos alpha minus tan x into sin alpha is equal to t. So cos alpha, sin alpha which are constants, differentiate with respect to, sorry, here it is tan x, remaining is alpha, differentiate with respect to x. Cos alpha constant derivative 0 minus tan x derivative is secant square alpha, secant square x, sin alpha is sin alpha only, into dx is equal to dt. But in numerator we want only secant square x into dx. So except secant square x dx, remaining I am taking this side. It will become secant square x dx is equal to minus dt by sin alpha. So integral 1 by root 2, in place of this value minus dt by sin alpha minus dt by sin alpha, under root t will come. This value is and t we are assuming, no? 1 by root 2 minus sin alpha integral 1 by root t into dt, which is equal to minus 1 by root 2 sin alpha integral 1 by root x, 2 root x. So 2 root t plus c, which is equal to root 2 times will be cancelled. So minus root 2 by sin alpha into, in place of t, what we are assuming that we have to write cos alpha minus tan x into sin alpha plus c. But sometimes this is also correct answer, sometimes they won't give this answer. See how they are going to give is minus root sin alpha root of, here sin alpha if we take common, cos alpha by sin alpha minus tan x plus c. Sin alpha we can take outside of the root, it will become root sin alpha minus root 2 divided by sin alpha into root sin alpha square root of cos by sin cot alpha minus tan x plus c. If you simplify one more step, it will becomes minus root 2 by root sin alpha into square root of cot alpha minus tan x plus c. Even this answer also correct. Sometimes in objective they will ask this answer also in terms of cot and tan, cot alpha minus tan alpha also. Both answers are correct answers. Thank you very much for watching my videos. Please do subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you very much.